So, if you are of the school of thought that Mmuo is a religion, let me disprove you very politely and gently. A man in a what's the word? All them historic times when man just they live with, man just pull up and bush full everywhere. Like the way I'm here now, there's just bush. The next place that people are is far away. So this man is just living, chilling here. Then he goes to sleep and he sees that on his daily waka to go and find fruits and animal that he will eat, that he sees a stone. And that stone opens his mouth and talks to him when he's dreaming. Then he wakes up in the morning and goes out and sees that stone talking to him. And he carries that stone and keeps it in a very special place in his house, a place where he does not piss and shit, right? A sacred place in that his land, that in that his small space that he cleared, so that he will see when animal is pulling up on him. Then he goes to bed again and he sees that, or let's say he kept it somewhere random. Then he sees that that stone uses his hand there to stand up and go to another place in that his compound, a sacred, a better place. He wakes up in the morning and carries that stone and guards and keep it there. Then he sees that since that this stone, there is something in it that is talking to him in his spirit self. Yeah, he sees that something is in this stone. Then he says, what do I like eating? I like eating animals. So when any squirrel now that I catch, any antelope now that I catch, I'm going to come and offer it here. Then he sees in the night where that antelope, where he caught a bird and kept it in his house. Then he sees that stone, goes and smashes that bird and takes the blood of that bird. Then he knows, maybe I should start offering blood to this animal, this thing, because that day now that stone took that bird, I went outside and I found an antelope. When usually I'm killing goose, right? Then one day, one of his child goes and pees on that stone, and when one of his children goes and pees on that stone, then him now goes to bed and he sees that this stone is angry, that this stone was angry, was busting everywhere, but was not busting his house. Then he brought out an egg and threw at the stone when it was busting that egg, and that stone calmed down. Then in the morning he woke up and took an egg and went and smashed on that stone and said, "Iwe kan nezegi, no vex for me." Oga, who taught that man Mmuo? This my guy just dey tell me he can want human construct. Mad just na basumi wo no na ablo obo ga. Obuli if you na making me na go out na muta from onye one kuzili gi. Oga me and you know they do the same thing. Ebilu mo when bilu no if you na kuzilong me femu na mom na kuzilum. You know what I don't pull off spiritually. Oja na mmo iwe na agwa human construct. Nwele ife na ghọta. Ọbụ na iche na ife na eme human construct. Ma no nwebe ife na ghọta. Igbo Mmuo abụlọ religion, ọbụlọ mmadụ create ihe. Ọ ife gị na mmụọ gị pụta, ihe mmụọ gwa gị. Different types of osena abụmọ, na nlọ ka ị na-alụ ya mụọ, na ntị ka ị na-anụ ya mụọ, na anya ka ị na-afụ ya mụọ, bụ na ọ na-eme ya na-arụ. Ọ otu a ka osena abụ gị si wepụta. Ọbụlọ nwere ife nwere onye gwa gị anything. Ọ bụzikwa nọ ife agwa gị, ma mi ya azabụ ụmụ prọfesọ ume, ma ya azabụ ụmụ ofu onye na-ede akwụkwọ. Ọbụla ife abụghị abụ Igbo Mmuo, ọ religion ka ị nọ ya. Inwekwa nsị kụọ.